Hi, I'm John Kelleher. I'm the Defensive Tactics Instructor at Unity One Inc. And today we're working on pain compliance takedowns. It's really important that our officers out in the street, they know how to defend themselves, but they also important that they know how to do it safely, both for themselves and for the people that they might come in contact with. So what we stress during our defensive tactics class is redirecting the forces and then taking people, if we have to take them into a handcuffing position, we do it in a way that reduces the amount of impact on both the officer and on the person that's being handcuffed. So you're going to see today a series of techniques that we've been working on for the past couple of weeks. They've learned the basic techniques, and today we're going to start adding the takedowns. All right, now we're going to work real fast. We did the universal disarm last time. Okay, we're going to show you a real easy one now. That was, okay, all of these disarms I'm going to show you guys are easy with respect to 2 moves tops, 3 moves maybe, but there's different categories of easy. That was easy because it's one technique you can use against a knife, a stick, and a gun. This technique is just easy because but it really only works front or side. And I'll show you what I mean. Okay, what's the first thing you got to do when the weapon's pointed at you?
Get it out of your way.
Before that happens.
Put your hands up.
Put your hands up. Why?
Because you're going to use your hands to defend yourself.
Yeah, if your hands are down here,
bang.
It takes 2, he can shoot me faster than I can bring my hands up. Okay, so you want your hands up here. Okay, what's faster, action or reaction?
Action.
Action's faster than reaction. Yeah, okay. So what we're going to do on this technique, it's called push-pull, all right? Doesn't matter which way we do it. Let's have a gangbanger stance here. Okay. Doesn't matter whether we push or pull.
Oh, wait, there we go.
Okay. So, but think about this. Which would be the better way to push the weapon?
This way.
Why?
To break the wrist.
Break the wrist, why else? Because I don't want to end up doing this, and he takes it back.
I guess that makes sense.
I was gonna say.
What would dictate me not pushing it this way? Or not pushing it this way, I mean.
What would make you not?
If there's somebody over here.
If Kim is standing here, let's come over here.
You push it
If I do this and he shoots, she's dead. So in that situation, I would have to do this way, okay? All we're doing is we're just turning our hip and we're pushing the weapon, I'm grabbing the wrist, and now I'm gonna pull and take the gun. Okay, it's just push-pull. It's 1, 2. Okay, it works the other way. 1, 2. It works up, okay? This kind of deal. 1, 2. Okay? Very easy. It's 2 moves, doesn't matter.
By grabbing the wrist, I don't have the
Now,
strength to hold
it's
it.
not going to work this way. I'm going to show you something different for the back. Okay, it works from the side. Okay, 1, 2.
Okay. Just not the back. So any other way, just not the back.
Okay, what am I grabbing?
Wrist.
The other technique I was telling you to grab the slide. In this, I'm telling you to grab the wrist.
Okay.
That is going to fire because he's got one in the chamber and his finger's on the trigger already. So be prepared for the bang. Bang! Okay, try that. Everybody grab it.
Yes. All right. Come here, Amanda. Get your legs together.
Where are your hands?
Bang, bang.
There you go.
So I'm pushing you.
Push this way. Yep.
Grabbing it.
Grab. And
Good. Now,
Pull it back.
so
Pull it back, because that's your focus.
this is real subtle,
Am I
everybody.
setting-
But watch my hips, okay?
it's just
My hips are giving me torque, which gives me what? Power. Power. I don't want my feet planted here, because now I have no torque. Yeah. But if I do this, and he came in, I can defend myself. Take the gun, okay? We'll get your feet
Right
there.
foot back.
no.
There you go.
If you were to take a regular martial arts class, you spend a year
So
doing
once
nothing but
you
stances and
push
footwork.
here,
Seriously.
pull
So if you're
my
standing
hand
this way,
back. Yeah.
You're turning
Because you're
this,
just taking it from my hand over here.
and then snapping back. That's all you're doing.
Here.
There you go.
Feels
And
wrong.
then back.
John, it feels like we're doing wrong. Or it feels like
What do you
I'm. So when I'm taking, am I pulling her back?
Yes.
Okay.
Push pull.
Okay.
I was like, it feels.
And try to work at the
Have your
speed and
hands up.
timing so you get as
Hands
fast,
up.
as fast as you can.
Oh,
Okay, you pushed and you grabbed. So
Pull back hard. You're pulling me back.
you want to get her, okay, when you're here, you want to get here, and now you
So
can actually do
you have
this.
the gun, put it in your hand.
Okay. Now I got
So
a
you
wrist.
have
I
a
can
gun.
take her down if I wanted to.
I'm pushing.
Okay. Or
Then when I bring
what you want to do
yeah, I keep the hand.
when after you guys have seized the weapon, okay, you want to get to the back. Okay. Now if you know a wrist technique, you can get her down, but you want to get to the back, away from her center line. Okay. So you want to get away on a line of departure where you're in a strategic position. Okay. How far away are we going to get?
6 to 8 feet at least.
At least.
30. I'm running.
Yeah.
I'm running.
Or just run. Yeah.
Okay.
I got your gun.
Hold on. I don't know what it's like.
I'm trying to be soft. Yeah.
Remember we talked about zone.
Soft.
Remember we talked about zone of sanctuary.
Nice.
This is a zone of sanctuary. Why?
As soon as this,
I have her center line.
that hand is going to the gun.
She can't do anything to me.
You yank back.
Maybe a back kick, but I have a
That hand
gun.
out, and you yank back.
Yeah, fair
And
enough.
you're twisting
That
hips at
kick
the same
gun.
time.
Who will win?
It's practice.
Don't even worry about that. Just grab the gun and go that
That's fine.
way.
And
There we go.
Grab
No?
behind. Run
That's-
behind me.
Okay, if you're gonna bring back, start stepping this way.
reshoot.
Push my body.
Hold on.
If you're gonna let go
I
of the
was
wrist,
on the right side.
push me so that I'm torqued and step.
Good. Start here. Start hands up. Hey, I'll do anything you want. Whatever you want. Okay.
That's fine. If it slips, it slips. But that's when you want to step forward and around.
No, wrong way. Push, push, push. Push, pull.
There you
Push,
go.
pull. Okay?
Now,
Hands
Take
up.
your feet. Take your feet.
step
You're-
at 45 so that if I swing back with this hand, I'm gonna miss you.
Now step in.
Like, now this feels weird standing like this. I'm really bad at this.
Don't say that. My little
that?
brother's not much bigger than you.
Go that way? But am I stepping back?
Going that
And
way.
just go this way.
So you're gonna go
Yep.
Go back to her
Step around. Now, because I'm this way, it takes me.
push, and now I'm just gonna walk this way.
But you're pulling.
There's certain things you got to do.
Yeah, I'm pulling her hand. That's to strip the weapon.
Yes, you
Okay,
can.
so like that, and I'm just.
Yes.
I know whether or not it's loaded. Do you?
Okay, try it to the head. Try it from different sides and angles. Nope.
No, this one, head up.
Oh yeah.
Push up.
No, you don't have to.
So up.
You can
and
stand
then
flat.
what?
Yeah.
That'll work.
Now go up. No, no.
Make sure you don't do this.
Yeah, you're stepping.
I've seen somebody do this.
You're just getting above your head.
That's not technique.
And really good.
You're here. It's up.
Here, I just
Grab. Strip.
There you go. And then as you're bringing it
Straight
down,
up,
no,
too.
don't put your hand
What
on
if
the
they're
back. Cut. Just catch it. Cut.
right? Right.
Up and then strip.
So wait.
Push the wrist.
Push this,
But
then
you're,
Yeah.
Good. Kneel down.
That, I didn't quite get
okay.
you're a little tall.
So you're here.
Yeah.
You're going up.
Put it to her head.
Okay. Grab the gun as it's coming down.
Go here.
And strip. There you go.
Wait,
And
what?
you're
No,
good.
here.
Yank
What?
down on
The
my
gun.
wrist.
Go back. I'm gonna put the gun.
Now, see, the reason I
You're
grabbed
still-
the gun, she's got
you're
two hands
still
on it.
using-
She's got two hands on it. I'm not going to do this
Still
technique.
going up,
Okay.
twisting your hips slightly.
But do the two hands.
When you come
Doesn't
down,
matter. The principle's the same. Up and now I'm going to strip.
But you're not doing as much.
Turn it toward her. You're going to do this technique, one hand. Okay. So you're just going to push up.
And you're still doing the same
Either way,
thing.
Don't put your hand over the barrel like
Right,
that.
okay.
But better lay your hand in your head.
Alright, here. So,
There you go.
get your legs together. Alright.
Small circles. Small circles.
Keep going. Keep going. Yeah. Finish it out every time. Finish it out. Okay. That's
Side.
This hand. Wait. Why am I confused? Push, okay. Push, pull.
There you
push,
go.
Pull. This
All right,
Yeah.
side.
That's what I'm
To
getting.
the head would be more this.
So then,
Hands up.
this
There you
one.
go. And then on the way back,
Where?
you're grabbing. Okay. And what are you doing? Now,
Grab the gun. Grab the gun.
so when you're pushing out, you're
Okay, try
twisting
from
your
the
hips
side.
the same direction as your arm. And
ear.
then when you come back, you twist your hips the opposite
You have to bring your hands up
direction.
behind her head.
And step.
Yes, there you go.
Like, oh my god, no. Why did I miss the
Pushing out, so
gun?
you're twisting your hips that way. Okay. Then when you come back, twist your
You're
hips
here,
opposite
put it
direction
ahead.
and step.
Okay, you're here. It's push, pull.
Okay.
Here we go.
Okay. Alright.
There you go.
Push. Pull. Get your legs together. Get your legs together. I don't know why the push, like,
We'll do it one more time.
Did you have stuff on your tattoos? My hands are all slippery.
Alright.
Keep your hands up.
Good. Okay, all of these are just two moves. They got obviously they have to be drilled and they have to be memorized. Thanks for joining us for our defensive tactics class today. We went over pain compliance, takedowns, and submission holds. Safety is always our primary concern, and that's why we're showing techniques that don't necessarily involve striking. It's redirection of force, locks, and takedowns that the officer has control over the situation easier, and they all go to cuffing position. So every week we add a new technique, and the officers build on from there. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.